Hello YouTubians and fellow hobbyists. Welcome to another episode of Cut Dreams in Styrene. I'm your host Gary G and this is my production team. Woohoo! And today we have a brand new build. But first, as always, the riddle. What is the name of the Styrene 2CV ancient type? A. Boxer, B. Fighter, or C. Warrior? The answer, as always, the end of the show. This week in the garage we started a new build. And first thing to do was building the motor. A cute little engine, but see for yourself down in the garage. Yeah, first thing here in the garage, we clean the two parts of the motor block and glue them together. We painted small parts with a brush. Time to assemble the motor. We added some black wash so the single details really popped out. But that's all for now. This is our little motor. Now, back to the studio. This week we started this brand new build based on the Styrene 2CV. Its nickname in Austria was Die Ente, which means the duck. We wanted to change the original body to a pickup truck, and playing on those words, pickup truck and duck, we called it the pickup duck. But now to the answer of today's riddle. The engine type of our 2CV was really special, and it followed the concept of the VW, the Beetle. The VW Beetle.
The bug.
The bug. But what is the name of the 2CV engine type? Answer in the riddle. Well, it seems our little Saturday morning show comes to an end. But before I wish you all a nice weekend, I have a request from a new member of our community to give him a shout out here on our show. The name of his channel, Moto Ike Models. Check out his channel, give him a thumbs up or even subscribe if you like what you see. We hope you had a nice time here with us. And don't forget to tune in next Saturday. But now, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday, folks. Okay, here comes the end of our Here comes the end of our. You should do it the right way. Bring me out of the concept.